Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video we will split the cases on the pit bike engine. In the last video you saw that the ignition plate screws were stripped out all the way. So now we have to drill these screws out to get the plate off. I bought the cheapest drill bits I could find for metal, but we will see. If they don't work I will buy some quality ones. So guys, someone brought me another pit bike today. This one is a YCF 125cc and I'm going to do a rebuild on him. So if you want to support the channel, please give this a like and a subscribe. Right here you can see where the cases are cracked. You see a very thin crack, but it's leaking oil, so we have to replace it or fix it or something. My plan was to replace it with this case, but after looking over this one I saw this one was cracked as well, so this is probably a common problem on these engines. But luckily I have this other engine, so let's take it apart and see if we can use this one. So the transmission on this bike is gone. It's very bad. We cannot use this. But I thought we could use these cases, but it's a little bit different than the other one. So it's not usable for us. So let's take this gearbox apart because I might have the correct gears to replace them. Unfortunately, I don't have the correct part right now. These Chinese engines use a lot of different parts, so most of the time the part is a little bit different. I could not find a brand new case with the right diameter for the transmission. So at least we can try J-B welding this. I'm not sure if it will work, but we can try it. So let's clean the cases so we can put the J-B weld on. So this is the replacement that I wanted to use before I looked over it. But then I found out it had 5 cracks in it, so it's very bad and we won't use this, it's trash. So we will use the original case that came on the engine. This case was fixed up by the previous owner, but he had an aluminium welder, so it's fixed up pretty good. But there are some minor leaks still in the case, so we will pour some J-B Weld over it and make sure it won't leak at all. I think this will work because the previous owner welded this thing up. So it's really strong, but the only problem is that there were a few little holes where the oil dripped out of. So what do you guys think? Will this hold the oil or will it leak again? Let me know in the comments down below what you think. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this series, please give this video a like and a subscribe. That will help out the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.